to the Making a Movie Together project, where we combine art and technology to provide quality art education and produce a short movie containing children's ideas and artwork at the end.
Who knows what the difference between the real world and the creative world?
I do. I have an emoji clock, and Miss Annie has an energy crystal ball, which is right next to me. My emoji clock is connected to this crystal ball, which opens up 3 worlds: the real world, the virtual world, and the creative world. The real world is the world we live in, and the virtual world is created by technology, which includes the metaverse and various gaming worlds. The most dazzling world in this crystal ball is the creative world, which belongs only to children. All characters in children's original artworks live in this world, powering it through creative energy. Each character has their own story, and every artwork is displayed here, radiating the joy of creativity.
So, Starry, can you tell me what the difference is between the virtual world and the creative world?
The virtual world is a pre-designed model, like the construction of a game. It is commonly built by a team within a commercial framework for adults. The creative world, on the other hand, is completely different. It is a world created by and designed to suit the needs of children. Each character created by a child will live in this world, finding solutions to encounter problems, and they are all passionate about exploring new possibilities for the intersection between the real and the imagined. There are many knowledgeable people in this world who are connected to the real world.
Hi, Starry. Are you talking about me?
Play artworks of the children and also help characters created to learn more about the real world and channel their own creative world energy. Through this, the characters can enter the real world to engage in explorations and problem solving with the children, working together to create a better world. There are 2 main phases in our project: art creation and animation. During the first phase, we will provide art education to children. Starry Arts has an extensive experience in setting up art education curriculums that combine science and technology, and we have already designed a specific curriculum for this project. Our program involves 2 main components: painting and crafting, as well as producing comic stories. Children explore topics of interest and empathetically engage with real-world concepts to produce their creative responses. We believe that by combining art education with technology, we can provide a unique learning experience that stimulates creativity and critical thinking. The Creative World Library collects these discoveries through the enchanted books that jump off the shelves to share the research, artworks, and stories made by children. In addition to the usual art education programs, such as painting and crafting, during the second phase, children will also be taught how to make animations and use motion capture apps to present their artwork in a dramatic format, such as film or animation. Children will learn various skills and technologies to complete their works, including the motion capture app that is currently under development by Starry Arts.
My name's Pink Eye, and I want to be a fashion boy. My greatest wish is to become the strongest wizard in the world.
Hello, Wishing Tree. My name is Tommy, and I am very happy. I was just wondering if you could maybe grant me a wish and give me like 100 or 200 pieces of cheese, if it's not too much to ask. Each character created can also make visits to the Wishing Tree, supporting the children as they work together to reach their aspirations. The creative world also directs attention towards environmental issues in the real world. Join us in making a movie together and discover the power of art education and technology in creating a brighter future.
One day, a penguin saw that the ocean was filled with plastic. To solve this problem, he called Starry to make a plastic machine to collect plastic from all over the world in all oceans. He also wished that the ocean was a safe place with no plastic, so scientists could discover new animals under the water. We have to look out for each other in this ocean.
You're free now!
Thank you.
Can you help me?
I think it's called pollution.
You can't eat the plastic wrap.
Wait for me! Correct! We can still save these animals by throwing our rubbish in the right bin. Welcome to Starry Arts Children's Creative Space. Starry Arts enjoys painting, drawing, sketching, crafting, animations, and many more.